Hello, this is a video I wish I had seen before I got a fungal infection in my nail, in my thumbnail, many years ago. And that's the only time I got it, and I will tell you how I fixed it. I would like to have a disclaimer at this point. This is not a video about how to fix fungal infections in the nail, it's how I fixed it. Because I'm not a doctor, so I'm not allowed to give you advice on how to fix it. And you should go to a doctor for that, and you should trust doctors. They are a profession that always thinks about how to fix your problems and never how to prolong your suffering so they can make money of you. So what happened? This is my story. I got a nail infection at some point, a fungal infection. That's the only time in my life I got it. I just got it once in my thumbnail. And I naturally went to a doctor, the relevant doctor, and he told me to get a cream and apply it. I just got a tube of cream from the pharmacy that he prescribed, and I used it for a week, and it kept growing. And then I went back to the doctor. I said, I got the cream, I applied it, it kept growing. And he said, okay, I will prescribe you another tube. And I got the prescription. I moved to the pharmacy, and outside the pharmacy I thought, what the hell am I doing? I'm just doing the same thing I did before and it didn't work, and I'm doing it again. Why am I doing that? Probably because somebody wants me to have a nail that is completely infected for the rest of my life, so they can keep prescribing creams and making money out of me. So I didn't get the cream. I went home and I just used my mind for a second, and I thought, okay, fungal infections are basically fungi. So fungi, what is it that fungi cannot survive from? It cannot survive from very low temperatures and also from very high temperatures like fire. It cannot survive fire. So what I did is I just got a lighter, just a normal lighter, and I did this, and I started burning it. And because there is the nail in the way, your flesh doesn't burn so fast. It takes some time until the heat goes through the nail and to the flesh. And once it started to hurt, I would remove the flame until it doesn't hurt anymore, and then I would continue. And I kept doing this at the infected area for about 15 minutes. I think I overdid it, to be honest. I think with a lot less it would be okay. But what happened is that the infection changed color, and from that beige color that it has when it is alive, it got a grayish, dead color, because it was all burned, all the fungi was burned. And when the nail grew, the infection was dead, it was not spreading anymore. I just clipped my nails until it grew completely out of the infected area, the damaged area grew completely out of my finger. I was clipping my nails, and then I had nothing. So that is how I fixed it. And back then I remember I also searched some videos on YouTube. I couldn't find anything, so this is a video I wish I had seen back then. And again, that's a video of how I fixed it. It's just a personal story. It's not how I'm telling you to fix it. I'm not responsible if you set yourself on fire or something. Like I said, you should always trust doctors. They always want the best for you, what is best for you. And they never even think, it never crosses their mind that they want you as a customer for a long time so they can milk you like a milking cow for money. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps.